Using a header-in setup in Card helps create smooth navigation across your website, especially when you have multiple sections on a single page layout. Instead of jumping abruptly between sections, users can scroll smoothly from one part of the page to another using header links. To begin, open your Card dashboard and select the website you want to edit. Click Edit Site to open the Visual Builder, where you can modify your layout and structure. Once inside the editor, locate your header section. This is usually found at the top of your site and contains navigation buttons or menu links. Click on the header element to access its settings. From here, you can configure how navigation behaves when users interact with header links. Next, make sure your page sections are properly structured. Each section that you want to navigate to should have a unique section ID, such as #about, #services, or #contact. These IDs act as anchor points within your page. After setting up section IDs, return to your header buttons or navigation links. Assign each button to the corresponding section ID. For example, About button should link to #about, and a Contact button should link to #contact. When this setup is complete, Card will automatically create smooth scrolling behavior between sections. This means when a user clicks a header link, the page will glide smoothly to the selected section instead of instantly jumping. You can fine-tune this behavior by adjusting spacing and layout settings so that each section aligns properly when navigated to. This improves readability and creates a more professional browsing experience. It is also important to preview your site after making changes. Test each header link to ensure it correctly scrolls to the intended section and that the navigation feels smooth and natural. If needed, you can adjust anchor placement to make sure each section appears centered or properly aligned on the screen when reached. And that's how you use a header-in setup in Card for smooth navigation. Open the editor, assign section IDs, link them in the header, and preview the scrolling behavior for a clean user experience.